Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 proven methods to make money online in 2023. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone who craves the freedom of being their own boss, the internet has opened up a world of possibilities. We're talking about real, sustainable ways to generate income, not get-rich-quick schemes. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around, because this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. It's one of the most accessible ways to turn your skills into cash. If you've got valuable skills, this is where it's at. Freelancing allows you to leverage your expertise and get paid for it. Think about it. What are you good at? What unique skills do you bring to the table? Writing, graphic design, web development, maybe even something more niche like voice acting or data analysis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with skilled freelancers. These platforms are bustling marketplaces where your skills can shine. The beauty of freelancing is that you get to be your own boss, set your own rates, and choose projects that interest you. You have the freedom to work from anywhere. Sure, freelancing can be competitive, but there's always a demand for high-quality work. The key is to stand out by offering exceptional value. If you're dedicated to honing your craft and delivering exceptional results, clients will pay a premium for your expertise. Building a strong reputation is crucial. Freelancing can help you gain valuable experience, build your portfolio, and network with potential clients. Each project is an opportunity to showcase your skills. It takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be life-changing. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your efforts pay off. Freelancing offers a level of freedom and flexibility that's hard to beat. You can design your workday around your life, not the other way around. Design a work-life balance that aligns with your values and priorities. With freelancing, you have the power to create a lifestyle that suits you perfectly. Next up, YouTube. It's not just for teenagers and cat videos anymore. YouTube has grown into a diverse ecosystem where anyone can find their niche. YouTube has evolved into a powerful platform for content creators to share their passions and generate income. From setting up your camera to editing your videos, every step is an opportunity to create something unique. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What drives you? What could you talk about for hours on end? Travel, finance, cooking, makeup? The possibilities are endless. Whatever your interest, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with you. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. It's a journey that requires dedication and a willingness to learn and adapt. Create high-quality content, optimize your videos for search, and engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Once you've built an audience, monetize your channel through ads, brand partnerships, or selling your own products. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Beyond financial rewards, YouTube offers a platform to share your voice and connect with like-minded individuals. It's a space where you can build meaningful relationships and make a real impact. Turn your passion into a full-time career, and wake up excited to work on something you love. Imagine the joy of doing what you love every single day, and sharing that joy with the world. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. A powerful way to generate significant income online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your referral link. You don't need to create your own products or manage inventory. Focus on driving traffic to your affiliate links and convincing your audience to make a purchase. Successful affiliate marketing hinges on authenticity and trust. Promote products you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Provide valuable content that educates and informs your audience. Establish yourself as a trusted source of information and watch your affiliate income grow. For all you creative entrepreneurs, this one's for you. Platforms like Etsy and eBay make it easier than ever to turn your passion for crafting into a profitable business. Etsy is the go-to marketplace for handmade, vintage, and craft supplies. eBay offers a vast customer base and a wide range of selling options. The key to success is to find your niche, create high-quality products, and master product photography and descriptions. Showcase the value and craftsmanship behind your products. Excellent customer service is crucial. Respond to inquiries promptly and package your items with care. Happy customers can become your biggest advocates. Are you a whiz at math, a grammar guru? Online tutoring might be your ticket to online income gold. The demand for online tutoring has exploded, with students seeking personalized learning experiences. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly connect students with qualified tutors. Online tutoring offers flexibility. Set your own hours and work from anywhere. To be successful, you need more than subject matter expertise. Patience, effective communication, and adaptability are key. If you're passionate about education, online tutoring can be incredibly rewarding and lucrative. Make a real difference in the lives of your students while earning income. Let's talk about blogging. A powerful way to share your passions, build an audience, and generate income. Blogging allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and create a community around your interests. Whether you love cooking, traveling, or technology, there's an audience out there waiting to hear from you. Choose a niche you're passionate about, and that has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. Researching niche markets can help you understand what people are looking for and how you can provide value. Create high-quality, valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your readers. Think in-depth articles, how-to guides, and thought-provoking opinion pieces. Consistency is key, so make sure to post regularly and keep your audience engaged. Monetizing a blog takes time and effort, but with consistent effort, you can turn it into a profitable venture. Track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed to maximize your earnings. Use strategies like display advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts to generate income. These methods can help you earn money while you sleep. Additionally, consider selling your own products or services. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to physical products and consulting services. Blogging offers passive income streams and the potential to turn your blog into a full-fledged business. With dedication and hard work, your blog can become a significant source of revenue. Share your unique perspective and insights with the world. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a loyal following. Your blog can be a platform for your voice and a way to make a difference. More companies are embracing remote work models, including customer service positions. With remote customer service jobs, you can assist customers from the comfort of your own home. Remote customer service offers flexibility and accessibility. Companies are actively seeking customer service representatives to join their virtual teams. Tasks include answering emails, live chats, and providing technical support. To excel, you need patience, empathy, and a genuine desire to help others. Enjoy the flexibility of working from home and setting your own hours. Let's talk about investing in stocks and cryptocurrency, a topic that elicits both excitement and apprehension. The world of investing can be volatile and unpredictable, but it can also be a powerful tool for building wealth. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small ownership stake in a publicly traded company. Cryptocurrency operates independently of central banks and governments, with value driven by supply and demand. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Both markets are inherently risky. Educate yourself, understand the risks, and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. Approach investing with a long-term mindset and manage your risk effectively. If you're passionate about a subject and have valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to success. Online courses provide a flexible and scalable way to package your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easier to create, market, and sell your courses. The beauty of online courses lies in their passive income potential. Once you've created your course content, you can sell it over and over again. Identify a profitable niche, structure your content effectively, and deliver it in an engaging manner. High-quality video lessons, downloadable resources, and interactive elements enhance the learning experience. Last but not least, becoming a virtual assistant is a popular side hustle in today's digital age. If you're organized and efficient, becoming a VA could be your ticket to flexible income. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and creating social media content. Being a VA offers flexibility. Set your own hours and work from anywhere. To succeed, you need to be highly organized, detail-oriented, and possess excellent communication skills. Time management is crucial, as is the ability to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. Build strong relationships with clients for repeat business and referrals. And there you have it, folks. Those are 10 proven ways to make money online in 2023. The online world is full of opportunities to earn, learn, and grow. Identify your strengths, explore different options, and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies. Stay informed, embrace new technologies, and never stop learning. Take the first step towards your online income goals today. Now get out there and start building your online empire.